Good afternoon, people. My name is Jerry Alexander. I have the Samsung microwave model number right there, model number, serial number. I've had this microwave for about 6 years now, and never in my life have I experienced a Samsung microwave to do this. I'm going to demonstrate, and I'm going to show you exactly. There's nothing that I put on here to make it do this. So look, here's my clock. Everything is clear, nothing's going on. But watch this. Did you see that? I will demonstrate that again. This model starts without putting any information, any time or anything. It just starts. Check it out again. See how I'm grabbing the handle? Just grab it here. Look at that. That's a defect, Samsung. You need to fix this.